In front of me is Google Pixel 5, and let me show you how to change a ringtone on this device. So first of all, just enroll the list of all apps, locate and open settings, and click on sound and vibration right here. Now scroll a bit lower, tap on advanced, and locate phone ringtone. Mark it, and from the following albums, pick the one that you would like to choose your tune from, and then just pick the sound. Tap on save then, and that will be all. As you can see, it has been already changed. This is how you can super quickly and easily change phone ringtone on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.